Welcome back to Voodoo Family Travels. Join us today for one of our travel days.
Back on the road towards Yellowstone. Welcome to Wyoming.
So on this day, this was one of our long travel days. We're just traveling from South Dakota on our way. We stayed in Montana on the west side of Yellowstone at one of the KOAs over there. So this was a long travel day. We saw a little bit of wildlife while we were on our travel day, mostly cows. And some sheep.
Now we're entering Montana.
On the day that I'm editing this video is the weekend right after Hurricane Francine passed through. Luckily, we were spared and just had to deal with some power outages for a little while, but a little scary for a while since we just went through Hurricane Ida 3 years ago, and that was a rough one, so we thankfully made it through. We passed through Custer National Forest on this part of the route, which is located in the south central part of Montana and has over 1 million acres of forest. We've done a lot of our traveling on the East Coast and kind of along that route, so it was nice to visit some of the western part of the country and see some of the different scenery. It's really beautiful out there.
Billings, Montana.
We don't get to see much snow in Louisiana. Or mountains. Beautiful scenery around this part of the country.
Bozeman, Montana.
So this was the second leg of our 2-week RV trip. This day was a travel from South Dakota to Montana. So if you've been following along, we spent a few days in South Dakota visiting like the Badlands and Mount Rushmore, and we took a day and went to Devil's Tower in Wyoming, and now we're heading on to the next part. final approach to the Yellowstone KOA.
Thank you again for watching Voodoo Family Travels. If you hadn't already, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our video. There's always more to come. I'm Greg.
And I'm Val. See you again soon.